Here's problem 12. It says, how many degrees is each interior angle of a regular decagon? Now remember, regular decagon means every one of the angles on the inside is exactly the same, and all sides on that polygon are exactly the same length. So we're trying to figure out what each angle would be. Now there's two methods to do this. One, I can figure out what the sum of all the angles on the inside happens to be, and then divide, in this case, a decagon's 10, so I know that all 10 are the same. So I find the sum of all the angles, and then divide by 10. So let's try that method first. So this method, what you could do is you could say, hey, how many degrees is inside that polygon, that entire decagon? Well, we know the formula. We've learned the formula is n minus 2 times 180. Number of sides of a decagon is 10, so 10 minus 2 times 180, so that's 8 times 180. If we did 8 times 200, it'd be 1600, and then we have to take away 160, so that's going to be 1440. Okay, so we know there's going to be 1440 degrees total inside that decagon. Now we know that there's 10 angles in there, and all 10 have to be getting the exact same amount. So if we divide by 10, it's going to tell me 144. Okay, so I know that each interior angle is 144 degrees. So this angle is 144. The next one up here is going to be 144. All of them, each of them will be 144. And I can check it. 144 times 10 is going to give me the 1440 that I know is the sum of all the angles in there. Now that's one method. Now what I like to do is I like to use, instead of, I never worry about the interior angle. I have this great formula that tells me that the exterior angle, the angle on the outside, the exterior angle is always equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. That's a quick, easy formula. So what I mean by exterior angles, if I drew a little bit of this decagon, it's going like this and then going up and then going up. The exterior angle is this angle right here, that outside angle that's formed. Now I know that plus that has to add up to 180. So if I can find that, I can just subtract it from 180 to know what the interior angle is. Well, this formula is pretty easy. 360 divided by number of sides. Number of sides is 10. 360 divided by 10 tells me the exterior angle right here is 36 degrees. Boom, I have the exterior angle very quickly. Don't have any difficult math and big numbers. If that's 36, then what is the inside? Well, 180 minus that 36 tells me this is 144 degrees on the interior angle. The outside's 36, the inside's 144. It asks for the inside, so I know it's 144. To me, this is always easier. You don't get mixed up. Your mind should be able to do both. It shouldn't be difficult to do. But if I'm trying to do things a little quickly and I don't want big numbers, this is an easy formula. 360 divided by the number of sides will always tell me this outside angle, and then once I have the outside angle, I can find the inside rather quickly. There you have it.